Hello from KINGSINE. Today we're going to demonstrate the functional testing procedure for the KFA310 LPIT module. For this test, we'll be using the KFA310, which supports 8 channels of low-level output voltage signals from 0 to 8 volts, DC or AC. A Siemens 7SY82 protection device for LPIT. And the KINGSINE low-power instrument transformer adapter. First, the connections. We connect the low-level output channels from the KFA310 to the KINGSINE LPIT adapter. From there, the adapter connects to the Siemens protection relay with 4 Ethernet cables, for UA to IA, UB to IB, UC to IC, and UX to IX. Each cable goes to its corresponding interface on the LPIT protection relay. Next, the system settings. On the KFA310, open system configuration. Select output mode, and change it from amplifier mode to low-level voltage mode. Then set the primary and secondary ratios to match the relay's settings. Here we have a feature called correction factor that you may find useful. To comprehensively test a relay's functionality, we can accurately simulate a real LPCT, including its potential imperfections, by utilizing the correction factor feature. Typically, when a discrepancy exists between the actual measured value and the ideal value from the LPCT, it is necessary to set the correction factor in the relay according to the specifications on the LPCT nameplate. The relay then multiplies the actual sampled value by this factor to obtain a corrected value used for protection functions. Here on the KFA310, we can enable the correction feature by setting the same delay time and correction factor as those set in the relay. The KFA310 will then automatically calculate the value before the correction factor is applied to output. In this way, we can verify relay's function for both of the correction and protection. In this test demonstration, we don't need to use this feature, so uncheck it. When that's done, click Exit to save your changes. Now, the AC test. We'll have the KFA310 generate test signals, and we'll monitor the sampled values through the Siemens LPIT device. We start by injecting 100 amps. Then 200 amps. Next 300 amps. Followed by 400 amps. And finally, 500 amps. The values shown on the relay match exactly with the settings on our tester. Thanks for watching.